In this video, let me show you how to change Team and Hero Wars. To change your Team and Hero Wars, you'll need to go directly into the specific game mode where you want to change to apply. For example, if you want to change your team for the campaign, start heading to the campaign section. Once you're there, select a campaign level. Pressing the start button won't consume any energy unless you go ahead and press the actual battle button, so you have time to make changes. Simply switch out the heroes you want before starting the battle. Once set, the team you selected will automatically be used for your next battle in the same game mode. Keep in mind that team setups are different across various game modes. The campaign, arena, tower, for example, you'll have to go into the tower mode and set your team there. The system saves your last used team for each mode, so it will stay until you change it again. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.